Here we go. As you know that in Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program, our state Arunachal Pradesh has been paired with Uttar Pradesh.
सर उत्तर प्रदेश का बारे में क्या हो रहा है?
Yes, बेटे. Arunachal Pradesh is paired with Uttar Pradesh. So we are going to study about Uttar Pradesh today. It is in the form of quiz. You have to answer only once, and if you want to write, you can answer in chat box. Chat box I have opened here. And now here we go. Let's start the question. The first question on your screen. I think you all are able to see the screen. Which is the largest district area wise in UP or Uttar Pradesh? Think about it.
आगरा.
Agra.
आगरा.
Okay, you have
आगरा.
to. Every student have to answer only once, and we'll check the answer. Okay, Agra. Most of the answers from the students are Agra. So let's check first Agra. Agra, option number 3, Allahabad. Okay. Agra is wrong answer. Bete, Agra is not the largest district.
सर आगरा का नीचे डालना.
Agra is not the largest district in UP.
सर आगरा का नीचे डाला.
Now move to the.
Allahabad.
Come in chat box. You can come in chat box even.
Allahabad.
Come in chat box with your answer. Allahabad. Allahabad is even wrong answer.
लखीमपुर खेरी.
Lakhimpur Kheri. Yes. Lakhimpur Kheri is the right answer. You have to write your answer in chat box if you are not very sure about it. Let's move to the next question. Here is the second question on your screen. How many districts are there in Uttar Pradesh? Options are 70, 75, 72 or 68. You have to answer only once and wait for the responses of other students too.
72.
75. In chat box we are getting answer at 75.
68.
68 we have got some answer. We also got 72. So
75.
okay, let's check for 72 first. 72 is the wrong answer. We can check the answer. 75. Okay, let's check for these two. That's the correct one. 75 is the correct answer. So there are 75 districts in Uttar Pradesh. Now at this point of time, I would also like to recall. Can you tell me how many districts are there in Arunachal Pradesh? We had studied about it. 25. That's good. 25. Very nice. There are 25 districts in Arunachal Pradesh and 75 districts in Uttar Pradesh. That's good. So moving to the further question, which is question number 3. And I think that will be easy question for you. Which is the capital of Uttar Pradesh? Very nice. Very nice. Lucknow. Okay. Let's check for Lucknow. Someone is telling Agra. Agra is Lucknow. Yes, Lucknow is the correct answer. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. And what is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh?
Itanagar.
Itanagar, where we are residing. Next question. Question number 4 on your screen is, which state is first place in India in mango production?
उत्तर प्रदेश.
Uttar Pradesh.
उत्तर प्रदेश.
Let's Bihar. Let's wait for some more responses. Very nice. Actually, we can easily guess that we are studying about Uttar Pradesh. So correct answer will be Uttar Pradesh. Nothing to worry about it. Yes. Which state is first place in mango production? सबसे ज़्यादा आम. And I'm sure that everyone like to eat mango.
मालदा बात.
मालदा, हाँ मालदा, लंगड़ा, कोई भी आम. तो सबसे ज़्यादा, हाँ जी.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
So yes,
बिहार.
Bihar is not the correct answer. Uttar Pradesh is the correct answer. Uttar Pradesh, yes. Simply you can guess it. Here is the next question. In Uttar Pradesh, at which place is Latmar Holi organized every year during the Holi? As you know that Holi is the popular festival of UP, Bihar and Jharkhand. Gokul. Every year during the Holi, a special form of Holi is celebrated, organized in Uttar Pradesh, and that is called Latmar Holi. Male and female generally used to play Holi with a stick, लाठी के साथ वो लोग खेलते हैं और एक दूसरे को मारते हैं. ऐसा आपको लगेगा that they are fighting to each other, and that's why it has got its name as लठमार होली, लाठी से मारने वाला. तो ये कहाँ पर खेला जाता है जनरली, कहाँ ऑर्गेनाइज किया जाता है? गोकुल. गोकुल is the wrong answer. Gokul is the wrong answer. Brindavan. Barsana. That's good. Let's check for Barsana. Check answer first. Yeah. Yes. Barsana is the right answer. In Uttar Pradesh, it's a place, very famous place, Barsana, where Latmar Holi is organized every year during the Holi. So moving further, the next question, which is question number 6 on your screen, is what is the position of Uttar Pradesh population wise in the country? Means according to population, what is the position of at which place UP stands in our country? Options: first, second, third, seventh. Seventh. First. Very nice. Let's check first and take second are the most of the answers. Second is the wrong answer. Population सबसे ज़्यादा, yes. That's right answer. First. Very nice. First means largest populated state in our country is Uttar Pradesh, UP. UP holds the first position population wise in country. And you have also studied that in area wise, what is the position of Arunachal Pradesh in our country? 15th. That's good. Correct answer. Very nice. You have remembered that. Now, so we are especially doing some questions on Uttar Pradesh because Uttar Pradesh is paired with Arunachal Pradesh, our state. A program run called एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत, KBS में एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत प्रोग्राम रन किया जा रहा है और इसमें हम लोगों का यूपी प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश के साथ यूपी के साथ अरुणाचल प्रदेश को पेयर किया गया है. So next question is, how many wildlife sanctuaries have been established in Uttar Pradesh? How many wildlife sanctuaries are? 18. Okay.
20,
20, 11, 22, 20, 19. 19 is not the correct option. Even 20. Let's check for 20. Hey, you. 20 is wrong answer. Try again. 11. Techi Iyer. Yes. 11 is the correct answer. Total, there are 11 wildlife sanctuaries. 11. Wait, 11. 11 is the correct answer. Means there are 11 wildlife sanctuaries in Uttar Pradesh. Moving to the next part of this quiz. Okay. At this time, we have completed 7 questions. Some questions of UP. Now, if you want to know some more about it, you have to visit my blog by clicking here. If you click it here, yes.
ये वाला इसका ना लिंक मुझे दे सकते हैं? मुझे ये वाला
बिल्कुल.
करना है।
Yes, yes, why not? I'll share the link in the WhatsApp group. So here is the quiz related to Uttar Pradesh, which is a series of knowing our states. हम लोग knowing our states में डिफरेंट स्टेट्स के बारे में सीख रहे हैं. तो उसमें से एक है यूपी, उत्तर प्रदेश. अभी तक आपने बहुत सारे क्विजेस खेलना होगा आपने. अब यहाँ हम लोग सीखते हैं यूपी के बारे में. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज जस्ट यू हैव टू क्लिक द लिंक गिवन हियर stating that click here to play the quiz game. As soon as you will click it, you will be redirected to another quiz dashboard where you will have to write your name first. Suppose I'll write my name here, Amresh Kumar, and if I want to mention the class and section, then we can do so even. लेकिन मेरा कोई क्लास सेक्शन नहीं है, then I am writing here KV2 ईटानगर. आप चाहें तो अपना नाम के साथ क्लास और सेक्शन लिख सकते हैं. एंड देन एज सुन एज यू विल क्लिक द बटन स्टार्ट, योर क्वेश्चन विल अपीयर and you will be ready to play the game. So in this way you can simply attempt more questions. If you have to ask something, you can do so. Someone wants to join. Let's get first. Yeah. So in this way. Now let's move to the next part of it. And in this part we are going to play quiz game with all of our friends. हम लोग सभी एक साथ. Here is my library where I have created much questions for UP. Now I am sharing a link in the chat box from where you can directly join this live dashboard at the live dashboard. Let me click this and go to chat box where I have pasted it. Now just click on the link which I have shared in chat box. ग्रुप में नहीं, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में नहीं, चैट बॉक्स में. एंड ज्वाइन हियर. जितना जल्दी जो ज्वाइन करेंगे, सॉरी प्ले स्टार्ट करेंगे, उतना उनका पॉइंट मिलेगा. एक साथ आप स्टार्ट कीजिएगा. ओके, अद्रिस घटक हैव ज्वाइन. नेक्स्ट वी आर वेटिंग फॉर सम मोर स्टूडेंट्स. लावेनिया सिन्हा, हेमलता छेत्री. ज्वाइन एवरीवन just by clicking the link in the chat box. if you want
सर मैंने ना क्लिक कर दिया, अब ना
हाँ
मैंने नाम भी डाल दिया, लेकिन कुछ अलग से ही आ रहे हैं। मैं एक बार आपको दिखाऊं?
yes try
मैं एक बार स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ।
no don't share screen, that will be left.
Okay.
Don't share the screen. You can play the game. I'll start here, then you will be able to play. Just wait for some more students to join. your friends are joining. सब लोग ज्वाइन कर लेंगे, उसके बाद मैं स्टार्ट करूँगा गेम। फिर
ईमेल मुझे दिख रहा है।
हाँ, फिर सभी आपको दिखाई देंगे। विनोद दास लोल, यू हैव टू राइट योर नेम properly with section even, class and section if you want. जल्दी से स्टार्ट कीजिए, सभी लोग ज्वाइन कीजिए। Here we have 20 participants और अभी तक केवल ज्वाइन किए हैं 9। जल्दी ज्वाइन कीजिए सब लोग, एंड देन विल स्टार्ट द गेम।
ज्वाइन कैसे करना है फिर से एक बार बता दीजिए तो।
आपको केवल चैट बॉक्स में जो लिंक हमने दिया है उस लिंक को क्लिक करना है। चैट बॉक्स में आप लिंक देखिए, उस लिंक को क्लिक कीजिए एंड यू विल बी ज्वाइन विद द गेम। हियर वी स्टार्ट।
विनोद दास लोल लिख रहा है।
वैसे नहीं लिखना है बेटे।
सर हम पहले नहीं भेज सकते, जब कोई भेजते तभी हम भेज सकते।
हाँ, अब देखिए मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ गेम।
सर हम ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं।
ज्वाइन कीजिए और स्टार्ट कीजिए। हियर इज द तेची ताकिन 940 points and ranked 1. Vinod Das has also joined. Divya Narjari, that's good. Hime Liming is moving to the second position on the dashboard. Vinod is now on the second position. Lavinia is moving to fourth position. So let's move. Read all the questions carefully. Go through the options and tick the correct one. Fourteen players have joined. Yeah, that's good. अब मजा आएगा, सभी लोग एक साथ। All the friends are on the same dashboard. With 4,710 points, Kimi Liming is on the first position, followed by Vinod, and Vinod has moved to the top. Okay, that's good. Let's see the questions. Meanwhile, yes, these are the same questions which we had discussed. Fifteen players. Good one. 6,580 points has been scored with by Vinod Das. That's good. 50%, more than 50% accuracy has been achieved. Continue, all the participants, please. Don't quit the game. Try to play. आराम से आप एक एक करके अपने गति के अनुसार, अपने पेस के अनुसार आगे बढ़िए। Okay, in this way